Hello there! Hope you're having an amazing day. I'm excited to be back with a new tutorial, but today we're stepping out of Excel and diving into a tool that is about to completely revolutionize how you handle PDFs. Tired of juggling different apps to edit, convert, or analyze your PDFs? What if you could do it all? Edit text and images, create fillable forms, scan documents with OCR, convert formats, and even chat with an AI about your PDF's content, all inside a single, powerful application. That's exactly what we're exploring today. We'll be taking a deep dive into Tenorshare PDNob PDF editor. In my opinion, it's one of the strongest all-in-one PDF solutions available for both Windows and Mac. And the best part? You can test drive all these powerhouse features with its free version. So let's jump right in, get it installed, and I'll show you why this might just become your go-to PDF toolkit. Installation is a breeze. Just accept the terms and click Install. Let's open up a PDF document. I'm going to go and select File and then click on Open from my desktop. Then we're going to go into the Edit section up top to test out all the editing features that we have. The Edit tab is our command center. For example, want to add text? Just click on this section. Select the location where you want to add the text. I'm going to add the text, Hello World. From the right side, you can change the font if you want. For example, let's select this font. Then we can also switch up the size and increase it if we want. We have a whole bunch of other in-depth features that we can use, such as line spacing and character spacing. But it goes beyond text. Need to insert an image? Let's just go ahead and select an image. I'm going to add a quick screenshot from here. Once it's added, we can select the location in the PDF page where we want to place it, for example, here. Then we can resize it if we want, move it around, and also select Lock Aspect Ratio, so you can quickly resize it without distortion. You also have other options such as Extract, Replace, and Rotate right or left, if you want to change the way the image looks. Let's make this image interactive. With the Link tool, I can attach a web page URL, like my YouTube channel, to any element. Customize the border and color, click Apply, and it's now a clickable link. You can even crop images directly within the PDF. Other options on the right include unit margin controls, page range, and more. Then click Crop. We can also add a watermark if we want. Click Add Watermark, select Text again, and type PDNob. Then we can change the appearance. Move it to 50% transparency and set a 45-degree angle. Below, you can also switch up the position, page range, and more. Click Save. For document branding, the watermark and background tools are incredibly robust. I'm just going to click Save. You have the same level of control for headers, footers, and page numbering. Now, for a game changer, transforming static PDFs into interactive forms. Open your PDF and navigate to the Form section. Here, you will see all the form field tools you need. Let's try a text field for a name. I'm going to select this icon and just drag and drop it into place. The same goes for a drop-down field. To add items, go to Properties, add your items to the list, and click Apply. You can seamlessly add checkboxes for options, radio buttons for single selections, and even a digital signature field for approvals. It's a complete toolkit for building professional, ready-to-use forms in minutes. Got a scanned document or an image with text? PDNob's OCR, optical character recognition, is your solution, boasting 99% accuracy. We'll go into the Page section and insert another page. Click Insert Blank Page, then Insert for it to be added after the current page. Click Edit, and in the second page, let's add an image. I have here an image inside the Pictures section with a lot of text. Let's add it to the PDF document. Then we're going to use the OCR function by going to Home and clicking OCR. We'll have to save the PDF document first. Click Yes. Then we just need to get the OCR plugin. Wait a few seconds. Once you have the plugin, this section will pop up and we can select the output format. For example, Scan to editable text. You can also select the page range if you want all pages or only the current page, and hit Perform OCR. It will process the page of this PDF document and extract all the text. As you can see, it successfully selected every text, and we can edit it inside the PDF document. As easy as that. I think this is a very useful function, and as I've said, it has 99% accuracy. It's effortless and incredibly accurate. Next up, conversion. The Convert tab is your hub. Need your PDF in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or as an image? It's a one-click process. If we go into the Convert section, we can create a PDF from scratch or convert it to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, image, PDF/A, and more. In addition to this, we also have Batch Convert, which you can use to convert multiple PDF documents at the same time. A pretty cool feature. As a quick demo, I'm just going to convert the whole PDF document to an MS Word file. So I will go to the Convert tab and select Microsoft Word as format, and then just simply click Convert. And here you go. Our PDF is now fully editable in Microsoft Word format. We can make any necessary adjustments, and all text are editable. Now this is where it gets futuristic. PDNob's AI Chat feature is like having ChatGPT built directly into your PDF. If you click on the AI sidebar, you'll have PDNob AI, which is basically built-in ChatGPT in DeepSeek that you can use for summarizing, Q&A, and generating content inside your PDF documents. Just click the Start button and you should be good to go. It will upload our PDF document to the AI, and with this, you can do a lot of tasks. For example, I just asked, please summarize this document in 3 sentences. And it delivered a perfect précis instantly. You can also switch between models like GPT-4 and DeepSeek. It's an absolute productivity powerhouse. In the comments section, you'll find a wide range of powerful annotation tools. You can easily highlight text, add notes, and even use tons of useful stickers to make your PDF more interactive and visually clear. Right here, we also have the Stamps section. You can apply static stamps or choose from built-in professional-looking dynamic stamps, which means you don't need to create your own stamps separately. Everything is ready to use. And still within the comments section, there's a signature option. You can quickly create or draw your signature and apply it to your PDF in just a few clicks. Simple, clean, and super convenient. Beyond these core features, PDNob offers flawless cross-platform support between Windows and Mac, and you'll never find watermarks plaguing your documents in the free version. While you can unlock everything with a very reasonable lifetime license, it stands in stark contrast to subscription models like Adobe Acrobat that charge hundreds per year. So if you're looking for a unified, powerful, and surprisingly affordable solution to conquer any PDF task, editing, form creation, OCR, conversion, and AI analysis, PDNob is absolutely worth your attention. Ready to try it? You can find all the details and links to download the free version in the description below. Test out every feature we covered today at no cost. If this tutorial helped you see PDFs in a new light, please give the video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next video. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and have a wonderful day.